Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 13th March 2025. Political news. Prime Minister Modi attends Mauritius National Day as chief guest. On 12th March 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated as the chief guest in Mauritius National Day celebrations. This visit underscores the deep-rooted historical and cultural ties between India and Mauritius. A contingent of the Indian Defence Forces also took part in the festivities, highlighting the strategic and defence cooperation between the two nations. During his visit, Prime Minister Modi engaged in bilateral talks with his Mauritian counterpart, Dr. Navin Chandra Ramgoolam, and inaugurated key projects constructed with India's assistance, including the Civil Service College and the Area Health Centre. India proposes establishment of domestic coal trading exchange. The Indian government has announced plans to set up a coal trading exchange to streamline the buying and selling of domestically produced coal. This initiative aims to promote competitive markets and enhance efficiency in the coal sector, especially with the increased production by private companies following the end of Coal India's monopoly. The proposed exchange seeks to transform the existing sales model into a many-to-many platform, allowing various stakeholders, including commercial miners and public sector companies, to trade surplus coal effectively. Sports news. Khelo India Winter Games 2025 commence in Gulmarg. The Khelo India Winter Games 2025 began on 9th March in Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir, following fresh snowfall that ensured a world-class winter sports experience. The event, initially postponed due to insufficient snowfall, features competitions in alpine skiing, ski mountaineering, snowboarding, and Nordic skiing. The games aim to promote winter sports and identify emerging talents in the country. Indonesia's Jonathan Christie begins All England title defense successfully. Indonesian badminton player Jonathan Christie, currently ranked second globally, commenced his title defense at the All England Open Championships in Birmingham with a straight sets victory over Malaysia's Jun Hao Leong. Christie expressed confidence in his approach this year, contrasting it with last year's underdog mindset. He is set to face India's Laksha Sen in the next round. Elon Musk's Starlink partners with Indian telecom giants. Elon Musk's Starlink is poised to enter the Indian market through collaborations with major telecom companies, Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel. These partnerships aim to facilitate the distribution of SpaceX's satellite internet service across India, potentially paving the way for Musk's other ventures, including Tesla, to establish a presence in the country. Analysts view these alliances as strategic moves to leverage local distribution networks and navigate the competitive Indian telecommunications landscape. That's all for today. Have a wonderful day ahead.